Everyone, this is Dana with Victorious Living, and I'm glad that you're back. We'll be going through different rooms in my home and tidying up. I have about an hour, so all of these chores that you are about to see take 15 minutes or less.
I had every intention of making a serious vlog today, but I could not help myself. This year has been very hard on many people, so my prayer for you today as you watch this is that your burden will be made a little lighter and that you would have the opportunity to laugh and to cry. And thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It means so much.
Okay, this happens like every single week. The kiddos love to smudge their fingers on the mirrors. I don't know about y'all, but it's a weekly struggle. But I usually let it go a couple weeks and then I'll take care of it.
I think as mamas, it is so easy for us to notice the inconveniences that our children cause us rather than to recognize the blessing that they are in and of themselves and how far an attitude of gratitude can go when we look at things and say, Lord, thank you for the dirty smudges on the mirror. Thank you for this dirty room, because it reminds us of a time where possibly we didn't have them in our lives. And so we can be grateful for the blessings that we have.
Okay, so our bathroom is even worse. If you can see all these splatters, we're going to take care of that. And if I have extra time, I'd like to tackle my end of the closet.
Dear Mama, have you ever felt lonely? Have you ever felt invisible? Have you ever felt like the work you do does not matter? I want to encourage you today that God sees you, that He knows where you are, He knows every season, and He is with you to strengthen you and to equip you to serve your family and to take care of your little ones, make you into a stronger person. And He will give you all the tools that are necessary for this task that has been assigned to you. And no one can do it quite like you do. And that's on purpose. And take joy in the fact that you have been chosen. It's easy to look at others and compare yourself. To look at someone and say, oh, they must have it so much easier, or they must do this so much better than I do. Comparison is a joy stealer. It sucks the very life out of you. And I think when we can let go of comparing ourselves to others, that's when we can find true joy in the Lord. We don't have to live our lives according to the standard of others. We can live our lives according to the Word and what the truth says. And that is so freeing when you don't have to measure up to someone else. So I would just really encourage you to let go of that. Let go of that burden and walk into the freedom that God has for you.
Leanne? Yep.
Right here?
Nope. Leave it alone. It's not for you.
I'll hold the door for you.
Thanks, bud. I'm good though, thank you.
Here you go.
Fear can be another joy stealer. I know for me personally, I have dealt with fear for most of my life. Fear of the what ifs, fear of the unknowns. And I feel like for me in this next year, fear is going to be another stronghold to put off. And I am going to put on Christ. And I'm going to learn a new way and not be afraid to live my life.
Okay, so what do you do when you have company coming over and you've got toys everywhere? I like to do a little something called the toss and throw. You just toss all your toys in a basket like this, and then you throw it in the playroom, and it's wonderful. So now I just have to vacuum and Febreze the living area and throw on the diffusers, switch those on, and we'll be good to go.